How to check mail password on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, scroll down to the end and tap on Apps. You can view all your phone apps over here. Now, search for or scroll down to find passwords and tap on it. You are now in the password settings page. Scroll down to the end of the page and tap on Open Passwords to open the app. As you can see, you require Face ID or passcode to open this app. Once you open the app, you will be brought to this page. Here, tap on All as shown. Over here, you can view all your saved passwords on iPhone. Go to the search bar and type in Mail. Scroll down and go to the account you're looking for. You can now view the account password over here. Following these steps, you can easily check mail password on iPhone.